Hello friends, today we will discuss SCADAPack Workbench zip and unzip process in a simple and practical way. In this video, you will learn how to compress and extract SCADAPack Workbench project files for backup, sharing and restoration. So what is a zip file in SCADA Workbench? How to create zip project backup and how to unzip and restore a project. So these all are included this video, okay? So first open any backup from your folder. So just I open it one simple backup. Just you click on project 1 and right click it, export project, then export. So select one folder, backup, then save. So it's showing created zip file, that folder, export completed, then close. Okay, you can share this backup to anyone through email or Teams, any platform. Now I will show you how to uncompress our project file. Okay, so first to open SCADAPack Workbench software, then go to file, then click new project, then here two target is available, target 3 and target 5. Our RTU is 535, so target 5. So click import isograph zip project, then create one path for saving that project. So select this folder, click OK and choose your zip file folder. Okay, .7z. Click open. So unzip process is going on now. So everything is done now. For more useful technical videos, subscribe to my channel now.